everybody, my name is Teacher Eden and it is so lovely to meet you today. I am a passionate, experienced and qualified native English teacher for both children and adults. I have 4 years of teaching experience and I have taught the English language to many students of many different ages, ranging from kindergarten through to high school students. I am a passionate, friendly and supportive teacher who enjoys inspiring and motivating my students to reach their goals. I am currently studying a BEd Foundation Phase degree at IIE University. This will allow me to gain new knowledge every day, which will help me improve my lessons and my teaching. So, how can I help you to improve your English and reach your goals? Our lessons will be based accordingly to the areas you want to improve in, whether it be vocabulary, accent reduction, comprehension, reading, writing, and much, much more. So, what are you waiting for? Book your lessons with me now. I cannot wait to see you in the classroom. But for now, goodbye!